In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Primrose discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Primrose discount promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called Hot UK Deals. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, that you want to get, let's say, this one right here with 15% discount. All you need to do is just select this button where it says see deal. And for this one, there is no code required. So all you need to do is just select this button where it says go to shop. And after that, you'll be redirected to the website where the discount will be applied automatically. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website which is called WordPenny. And right here, as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that you can use to get some discounts as well. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one with 10% discount. All you need to do is just select this button where it says show code. And this is the promo code right here. You can just tap on this button to copy the promo code. And you can use this one so that you can get a 10% discount off your next order. So this is pretty much all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.